maybe, just maybe, the reason why you're not getting the amount of views that you are craving for right now, it is because your YouTube channel is not among the first top 100 YouTube channels that are getting recommended on the YouTube platform right now. But I have gone through the hassle of collecting all the 100 top YouTube channels that are getting recommended right now on the platform, and I have put them in the video. And trust me, you want to see that video right now just to be sure, to double check that your channel is among those channels. So watch the video right now.